Hey guys, I think I'm live. Give me a second here. Nate, how we doing? We just asked my video producer. Nate, are we okay? And guys, I got you in the chat. You guys can see me okay. Usually we have the intro pop up, but the intro didn't pop up. I still think I'm okay. I'm live, right guys? I got you guys in the chat. Hey Chris, Ernie, Marty, I'm live. Can you guys see me? Can you hear me? Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, hey everybody. Jonathan Rose, welcome to Masters in Trading. Welcome to Masters in Trading Live. I get on here. Thank you guys. You guys are awesome. Live every day the market's open, 11 a.m. Eastern time. So I've been working in the Chicago pits since 1997. I started in the business on the floor of the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. I traded on the Chicago Board of Trade. I traded on the Options Exchange. I traded on all the exchanges in Chicago. And now I get on here each morning to try to add as much value for you as I possibly can. We also have a paid group. That's our all access members. At the end of this free portion, we go into the all access and we talk more specifically about our open portfolio. But we share trades all the time, not just for all access. We share trades for you guys. That's why I appreciate you guys so much joining me every single day. Ernie, thank you very much. You do add tremendous value is what Ernie says. Wow. So we have some things moving today. We got three kind of big trades, guys. GameStop. GameStop is making a move. They say GameStop might be doing like a meme crazy move or a short squeeze. No, it's different this time. I'm going to explain why GameStop is moving. We also had a great trade on the QQQ, and then we had a little scalp in the trade ticker SOC. I got the chat open. I'll stay on for as long as necessary to make sure all your questions are answered. But let's go to the slide deck because I am excited about this one, guys. My mouse is a little sticky, so it's not so easy for me to change, but I'm going to try. Give me a second here, guys. There we go. Just trying to share screen here. Okay, sharing screen. It looks black, but there we go. There we go. Nuclear is certainly reacting, guys. That's a good call. Okay, let's go through. What do we got today? So this is from a video. We put out this video 2 weeks ago. Game convertible bond segment. I explained to you what was happening in GameStop. At that time, Game was trading at 27, and Game did a convertible bond offering. Were you guys here when I did this Game video? I know we have lots of members on here. I know we got some new members here, but going back 2 weeks ago on the YouTube channel, we have this Game video. And the reason why I thought that Game was going to trade higher was because of the bond offering. Because Game, they raised $1.3 billion, but the bonds had no interest. They had no interest. What was GameStop going to do with this money? They were going to buy Bitcoin, and that's exactly what they did. These bonds turn into stock at $32.60, but they do it by 2030. It's got 4 more years, 4.5 more years to get up there. What did they do with all that money that they raised? They bought Bitcoin. They bought Bitcoin. Bitcoin was trading just 2 weeks ago, 80,000, 85,000, 90,000. And now Bitcoin's at 110. So Game, it's not that it's squeezing. Game, this is from yesterday in our Discord room. Hey, guys, Game looking strong. You could probably have some fun with those short-term options in Game. Look at the ones that expire tomorrow. Consider out of the money. This just might get crazy. The room, Kate, you gave us all such a fun afternoon with that quick might be fun game idea. Rope-a-dope, Strike in for 30 for $1.02. Nice little trade. James is in the 45 calls, up 68%. 50 calls, up 92%. Kate taking profit in at 25 cents, out at 85 cents. Kevin Hammer taking profits. So people are locking in profits. Brian had 300% in his game trade. So really, really cool trade. But this, what's going on right now, it's not a traditional squeeze like the first time. It's different. They raised money at $32.50. This is going to be more of like a MicroStrategy type play than a GameStop type play. So great job for everybody who was able to take those trades. Really, really good. Here's another trade that we had this week. Right now, with the market so busy and with the market so sensitive to news, I really haven't seen it like this. Trump comes out at Apple. Apple's down another 5%. Trump talks about uranium. The uranium industry's up 20%. Stocks are making these really, really crazy moves. So we had a name, SOC, Sable Offshore Corp, put just the other day, May 20th. Guys, set a limit order to buy to open SOC 30 strike puts at the best available price. Because at the time, SOC was just going parabolic. This is what SOC looked like. Just straight parabolic. If I put it on this chart, it even shows it even better. So look at this, SOC. Let me show you this. SOC goes parabolic, okay? Then it gets up to the top end of the expected move, the second one in a row. And that's where we came out with an idea. Hey guys, let's buy some puts in SOC because it's getting a little ridiculous. It's getting over its skis too much, too quickly. So what we did in SOC, and again, this trade, you'll see we have advanced notice that popped up, but here's the actual trade that we do. We document every single one of our trades. Okay, we're regulated. We have to make sure whenever we share a trade, we are sharing the exact trade. So we got in at $1.90, $5.20 just 3 days ago, and then getting out at $3.30 once SOC started to sell off. The reason we like this trade is because SOC was coming up on our advanced notice tool. Our advanced notice tool alerts us to when unusual options activity is happening in the stock. SOC rallied like crazy. Why did it sell off? Well, what happened was the owners, the principals, the directors of SOC said, damn, our stock just went from 20 to 33. We should lock in profits ourselves. We should issue stock. So what did they do? They issued stock. They issued stock. The stock came all the way down to 30. And again, it's just being active in an environment that's very, very news-based. So congrats to everybody that was able to grab that SOC trade. Andy, thank you for sharing. Andy did a trade in solar, did a straddle, a nice profit because solar was certainly in play. So more SOC. I always want to share the people's performance in our Discord, the paid members' performance in the Discord, just so you guys can see exactly what we're doing. What we're doing is, on days like today, we're having a hoot of fun. And then James here brings in a cool 50 smackers, so bravo, bravo. We're doing a pretty cool promotion right now. For anybody who's not part of Masters in Trading, we're opening up a monthly option. So if you're interested, these trades have been working out really, really well. I definitely think everybody, it would behoove you to learn how to trade. Buy and hold is going to be in a lot of trouble when we have this much volatility where you're not able to take advantage of downside moves. So I encourage you, check out mastersintrading.com/advanced notice deal. Some really, really great trades. The three of them this week in GameStop, SOC, and then finally, we had some really nice QQQ trades. We hop on live. What I always like to do now, thank you guys so much for joining. Memorial Day, have a beautiful weekend, and we'll be back live Tuesday, 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Everybody in our All Access community, you guys hang tight. We're going to talk about where we got fills on these very trades. Thanks for watching, guys. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys live Tuesday.